coffee pot today. We are testing coffee. Hi guys, I am back today with a coffee pot. Look how awesome. So Influencer, that's Influencer, they sent me this to review. It's one of their Vox Box. So I am so excited because our entire family loves coffee. My dad drinks multiple pots a day, then it was passed down to my brother, and then I love coffee. My husband loves coffee. But you know, even though I watched my dad drink as much coffee as he did, it was my husband that truly got me into drinking a lot of coffee. And now we're sort of coffee snobs when it comes to coffee, that it needs to be brewed right. It just needs to have that right taste. And the good thing about this is saying, which we're going to test it out to see. It says that the water pumps into the brew basket in perfectly timed cycles, starting with a short cycle that allows coffee to bloom so the flavors develop. And it says just like a barista would be at a coffee shop when they do their pour-overs. I know Starbucks sometimes will not have their blonde coffee after 12, so I will ask them to do a pour-over, and it's really good, so delicious. So let's unbox this and see how it works. Also says tested. It has a little sticker. It says this machine was tested to guaranteed quality. As a result, you may see a small amount of filtered water remaining inside. You know, sometimes you'll get the appliances and get them home and then they don't work. So that's really good that this will go through rigorous testing before it's actually shipped out to the consumer. So let's see. How cute is this? Nice instructions right here, so we will go through those and see step by step, and then have a delicious cup of coffee. Putting it to the test. Amazing. Very good. I can definitely tell a difference in the way it's made. This tastes more like if you got coffee at Starbucks versus me making it in my old pot. It's really good, and I was just reading here on the little card that they sent me, and it says the smart microprocessor in here. It monitors your brew time, your water temperature, and your volume. Those are the three variables that says it can make or break a pot of coffee. Simply add the water like we did, then we added the ground coffee, we turned the dial to how many cups that we would like, and then let it do its magic. Very good. Thank you guys so much for watching and real live taste test right here. If you would like to see more of these videos, please hit the subscribe button and comment below, what is your favorite coffee? And do you prefer your coffee in a coffee shop? If so, this is one to get. Thank you, and we'll see you next time.